Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The all-new 2025 Toyota CHR Hybrid is finally here and it is making a bold statement. If you are looking for a compact SUV that offers stylish design, efficient hybrid power, and the latest technology, then you are definitely going to want to check this out. Toyota has completely reimagined the CHR for 2025 with an aggressive new look that immediately stands out on the road. Sharp body lines, a sloping coupe-like roofline, and a wide stance give it a sporty and modern appearance. The front end is dominated by sleek LED headlights and a prominent grille design that ties it perfectly into Toyota's new design language. From every angle, the 2025 CHR Hybrid looks dynamic and ready to move. Under the hood, the 2025 CHR Hybrid features Toyota's latest generation hybrid powertrain. It pairs a highly efficient 2.0-liter gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver a combined output of around 194 horsepower. This gives the CHR plenty of punch for city driving and highway cruising while still maintaining exceptional fuel economy. Toyota estimates that drivers can expect around 50 miles per gallon combined, which is truly impressive for an SUV of this size. Plus, with regenerative braking and smooth transitions between electric and gas power, the driving experience feels seamless and refined. Step inside the cabin and you will immediately notice that Toyota has taken the interior to a whole new level. High-quality materials are used throughout with soft-touch surfaces, modern trims, and a clean minimalistic design. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that comes standard on most trims. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it is paired with an intuitive and customizable digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel. The CHR also offers a premium JBL sound system available on higher trims for those who want an upgraded audio experience. Space and comfort are big priorities in the 2025 CHR Hybrid. The front seats are supportive and offer plenty of adjustments, while the rear seats provide surprisingly good legroom and headroom considering the coupe-like exterior shape. The rear cargo area is practical for daily use, and with the rear seats folded down it offers even more versatility for larger items. Whether you are commuting to work, running errands around town, or heading out on a weekend road trip, the CHR Hybrid is designed to handle it all with ease. On the safety front, Toyota continues its commitment to delivering some of the most advanced systems in the industry. The 2025 CHR Hybrid comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and road sign assist. There is also a new proactive driving assist system that helps make minor steering and braking adjustments to support the driver in various conditions. All these features work together to give you extra peace of mind behind the wheel. Driving the 2025 Toyota CHR Hybrid feels lively and composed. The suspension has been tuned to offer a great balance between comfort and agility, making it easy to maneuver through tight city streets and a joy to drive on winding backroads. Thanks to its low center of gravity and hybrid system weight distribution, the CHR feels planted and stable at all speeds. It is a car that feels more premium and athletic than you might expect from a compact SUV. In terms of pricing, Toyota has kept things competitive. While the exact trim levels and pricing will vary depending on the market, you can expect the 2025 CHR Hybrid to start around the mid-$30,000 range. For everything you are getting in terms of design, efficiency, technology, and safety, it is a solid value proposition. So if you are in the market for a new compact sub and want something that blends eye-catching style, eco-friendly performance, and the latest features, the 2025 Toyota CHR Hybrid should definitely be on your list. It is bold, it is smart, and it is ready for whatever your next adventure has in store. We'll see you next video.